Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Elecktra machine. The thermal safety switch tripped on this machine, and so we had to take off the front panel in order to get to that. But now the machine's working well and heating again. So let's go ahead and test the steam. See, we're getting good steam. And then I'm going to flush it. This is the preferred method to make coffee on this machine. That way the boiler is less likely to run low on water and overheat, which may have been the reason that the thermal safety switch tripped in the first place. Sorry, had to tighten the portafilter and move the camera there to my shoulder, under my arm. Alright, here we go. My shots have been a little fast today, so I went tighter, and I think I went too fine. Alright, and we're back, and you can see the shot's pouring pretty slow, but it is working. Just have the coffee grind too fine. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.